Hisardale is one of the hybridized variety of sheep. Now what is it so important? Why are we learning the crossbreeding? Let's understand. Hybrids are major applications of biotechnology, in which mainly it is aiming for improving the yield. It can be readily produced by the process called as crossbreeding. Now crossbreeding is mainly produced by recombination of characters of different species. As we know, Hisardale is one such example. For producing Hisardale, we need to cross Bikaneri Eves and Merino rams. This particular cross is made in Punjab, and today we have a very good quality of sheep called Hisardale. So what are the qualities which was observed? Let's start off with Merino rams. Merino rams are very strong animal. It is very hardy, it is adapted to any kind of environment. Their hair or the fur grows so fast, they have to be shown at least once in a year. So the hair or the fur production for the wool is very fast. Rather, it is so fast that if it is not shown at least once in a year, they basically become blind because of the hair. They have issues in moving, they have mobility issues, and they also have heat stress in such conditions. So the hair has to be kept on removing, and it is good for wool production. So next is Bikaneri Eves. These animals generally weigh a body weight of around 34 kgs, and their wool color or the fur color is generally white to brownish in color. Every year each animal produces more than 2 to 3 kgs of wool. So you can see that both Merino rams and Bikaneri Eves are good wool producing and very strong kind of animals. So you can understand the Hisardale which is produced is also well adapted to the any climate they grow. They are also going to produce a lot of fur, which is good for the wool production, and their meat production is also very high. Merino rams are approximately about 50-55 kgs, and these Bikaneri Eves are also about 30-35 kgs body weight. So they are pretty strong and heavy animals. So for both meat and fur production, these are very good.